Have you ever opened a website only to realize the text is suddenly microscopic or so huge it takes up your entire screen? Don't panic, you didn't break your browser. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to instantly reset your website back to its normal size using a lightning-fast keyboard shortcut, as well as how to fix it directly through your browser settings in Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Let's jump right in. The fastest way to fix your screen size is with a simple keyboard trick that works on almost every web browser. If you are on a Windows PC or Chromebook, hold down the Ctrl key and press the number 0. If you are on a Mac, hold down the Command key and press 0. Just like that, your browser instantly snaps right back to the default 100% zoom level. If the keyboard shortcut did not do the trick, you can easily reset your zoom manually using your browser's settings. Here is how to do it on the most popular browsers. First, for Google Chrome, click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of your screen. Look down the menu until you see Zoom. Just click the minus or plus button until it hits 100%. Next, for Microsoft Edge, it is almost identical. Click the 3 horizontal dots in the top right corner. Find the zoom row and adjust the controls until you are back at 100%. And finally, for Mozilla Firefox, head to the top right corner and click the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Find the zoom section and click the minus or plus buttons to bring it right back to 100%. And that's it. Your website should be right back to its normal size. If this quick tip fixed your screen, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for hassle-free tech tutorials.